you guys doing this beautiful Saturday morning? So guys, today is Saturday. I'm traveling. So my we got an invitation from Torino. So we are going there this afternoon. It's a night party. We are heading there right now. So me and some of my friends, we are going there. Some mamas too as well. So I'm leaving my daughter and my boy. No, my daughter. I know I will miss her, but my boy, I'm going to miss him a lot, and he's going to cry a lot without me tonight because he will sleep alone. So I'm heading to the station now to catch up with my train. Okay, let's go, guys. I will take you guys through it till we get there. Okay. Mwah. These are my bags. Already packed. And let me take I'm walking down to the station, the two stations to take my train. It's just 7 minutes from my house. Look at the road. I'm walking down there. Hmm. Though I'm not going to sleep in someone's house, but I feel like I'm living my comfort bed. Traveling for the first time for the night. Traveling out of my city without my boy. Without Nevan, leaving him behind. First time without him, spending the night out without him. I miss him though. I'm going to miss him. I know I will miss him very, very much. Alright, guys. Guys, we are inside the first train to Bologna. So let me show you all my beautiful mommies. To see their faces. Bologna train station. So we are going to take our next train 5 o'clock. It's just past 3 now, be past 4 now. So I will show you some of my beautiful ladies. Look at them. Can you take off your mask, please? Mama, did you say hi to my camera?
Hi.
Guys, the rest of us is that I will show you guys. We are here in the station. Oh my goodness. See, may I show you the my mamas there? Look at them. They are playing seats. So we are here. Okay.
Hi.
Look at my beautiful mama. Oh, we are in the station. We are waiting for our train, guys.
Because we are going to Torino.
Okay. Oh, my mama. This is the first station. Our train is here.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see.
Hey guys, so we just got down from the train. We are still in train station. So I want to end this vlog here. I don't know if I can continue. So anything we did at the party, maybe I can vlog there. I don't know how it's going to be, whether it's going to tight or there will be space. So standing up in the party is not easy. So if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up for me and please subscribe to my channel. Love you all. Bye.